Is your device manager not opening or keeps crashing on Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If the device manager is not opening or keeps crashing on your Windows computer, you cannot view or manage the hardware devices connected to your system. This video shows you how to fix this problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Check for Windows Update. The first thing you can do is check for Windows Update following this guide. Method 2. Repair your system image files. The next fix that you should try is repairing your corrupt system image files. Launch the system file checker following this guide and DISM tools following this guide and run a scan. It will take time. Do not turn off your computer till the scan is completed. Method 3. Check the issue in a clean boot state. Next, you can check for issues in the clean boot state following this guide. Be careful while using the system configuration utility. Do not disable the Microsoft services, otherwise you will not be able to use your computer. Once you are in the clean boot state, launch the device manager. If it does not crash, a third-party service is the culprit. Find out that service and uninstall the respective application. Method 4. Create a new user profile. Sometimes problems are associated with a particular user profile. So you can create a new user profile on Windows 11 following this guide and log into that profile. Now, launch the device manager and see what happens. If the issue does not persist, you can transfer your user data from the previous file to the new profile and keep using that profile. You can delete the old profile later. Method 5. Use a third-party driver updater software. Since you cannot use the device manager to check the status of the drivers installed on your system, you can use a third-party driver updater tool. The driver updater software will scan your system and show you the outdated drivers. Now you can use either the same third-party software to update that driver or download the driver from the official website of your computer manufacturer. For more details, follow this guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.